have HUAWEI Ascend G510 and let me show you how to remove the back cover and the battery from the following device. So basically let me show you how to force restart and accomplish the soft reset operation on that device. It's especially useful when your smartphone is frozen or just hangs. So let's do it. Let's open the back cover by using the cavity right here at the right edge of the device. Let me simply do it step by step from the bottom of the device to the top. Here you've got access to your battery, so let's remove the battery by using the following edge. And let's remove the battery just for about 5 to 10 seconds and then put it back in exactly the same way. Let's close the back cover protection. And now let me press power key to switch on the device. As you can see, my smartphone is switching on. Let's wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your phone. And that's it. The home screen pops up, so it means that the soft reset operation is done. So now you can unlock the device and start using your Huawei smartphone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.